Go. That's a better one. Good. And then back. And then canter around. Keep cantering. Good. When you want him to go though, don't do this. Because every time he feels it on his lips, it'll stop him from going. Okay. So you can go with your legs, but not with your hands. So even if you have to hang on to the mane or something, to stop yourself from doing that. Okay, good. Do that again. So Pony Express this way. Good. Then keep him coming. Good. Good. Corner, keep coming. Keep coming. Good. Straight afterwards, not turn left. So you can see straight afterwards, not turn left. So you can see. Go, go, walk. Good. Do it again, Pony Express. And when you give over the fence, slide your hands up the neck, not your elbows out. Keep going. Yep. Around the corner. Good. Still a little bit here with the arms. Like Good for the hand, that's what we want. Keep them coming. Looking. Look for your line. You had your line, and when you got your line, you relaxed it so he drifted off. Yep. So you keep riding so that line's landing over the fence. Oh. Yep. And back. And then give him a really good kick for a go. Good. And then back. Good. Now keep coming with that. Okay. Look for your line. Keep your line. Good. You see your hands are looking like this now. They are about to slide along the neck. At least. But they're going a bit as they